Welcome to the Documoto Application Suite Overview. In today's video, we'll be going over how to create an interactive book within the Publisher module and populate it with a chapter structure, interactive pages, and static content. To begin, from the Documoto homepage, we'll access the Admin menu and select Publisher. Now that we have the Publisher module open, our focus will be on the Media Manager, which is the default when opening the Publisher module. Within the Media Manager, we can create and edit media such as books and documents. First, we'll click New at the bottom, which opens the Create Media pane, in which we'll add a unique media identifier 509600112, select our media type, which in this case is book, then give a name to our book, RT178 Parts Manual. We can also apply any media level tags in this pane, but for this instance we don't have any tags to apply. So we'll click Create, which takes us to the Media Properties pane. Within the Media Properties pane, we have the ability to control the table of contents, related content, access controls, apply comments, or add additional tags that we didn't in the previous pane. We need to create the table of contents or populate the book with content. For this, we'll click Table of Contents, which opens its applicable pane, and then selecting the More menu at the bottom, we have the options to add interactive pages, create new static pages, or create new chapters. When building out the table of contents, it's best to start with the chapter structure and then add the applicable pages, interactive or static, to the correct chapters. To create a chapter, we click Add, apply a name, Chapter 1, and then we click Create. Since we'll be creating 3 chapters, however, we're going to unselect the Close on Creation box, which when we hit Create, will leave this pane open, allowing us to apply more chapters. We'll do this one more time for Chapter 3, then click Create and Cancel to close this pane. Next, using drag and drop, we'll create a subchapter by dropping the caret on Chapter 2 and dragging Chapter 3 into Chapter 2. With our chapter structure set up, we can now start to add interactive pages we have uploaded from DocuStudio. We'll drop the caret on Chapter 1, highlight it, and then in the More menu, we'll click Add Page. This opens up the page selector pane and allows us to search for pages and select multiples at a time to quickly assemble a chapter. We'll uncheck the Close on Selection box once again, so that way when we hit Select, we can simply drag over, select Chapter 2, and grab 2 more pages to populate it. One more time, we'll drag over, drop the caret on Chapter 3, leave it highlighted, and select a couple more pages. Then we'll hit Cancel to close the page selector pane. Next, we're going to create a static page and add it to our table of contents as well. For this, we'll select Chapter 1, and in the More menu again, we'll click New Page. This opens the Create Page pane. From here we can select the type of page we want to create, in this case a document, then click the Add from System to view the static files we've uploaded to Documoto from DocuStudio. For this example, we're going to select 008086_1289. We'll click Select, and then apply a name, RT178 Maintenance Manual. We can also apply any tags that are applicable to this media. We'll click Create, and that adds the page to Chapter 1. Our table of contents is now complete, and then in the next video, we'll go over how to modify the table of contents further than the minor adjustments we've just made. Thank you for watching.